Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Namrata. Hope you all are doing great, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you something very basic, but I hope it would be very much helpful for those beginners out there. And if you're just about to enter college, then I'm sure you love this video. So you might already know it, what today's video is all about. Yes, I'm gonna share with you 5 different ways to wear kajal or to use eyeliner pencil. So now let's get into the main part. But before that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and don't forget to like this video. That would mean a lot to me. So now let's begin. At the very beginning, I will give you a tip, that is apply generous amount of compact powder all over your lid before you put anything on your eyelid. That might be kajal, eyeshadow, anything. Mainly if you have oily eyelid, that really helps to make your kajal long lasting, and it doesn't smudge or spread your kajal any further. So make sure you do it. And for today's video, I'm going to use this pencil. This is the Maybelline Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil. Yes, and you can tell how much I love it by seeing the size. Yes, this is my most favorite eyeliner pencil because of the texture it has. This is really creamy, and see how pigmented it is just with one swipe. And this one takes a little more time to get set on the place, so I get enough time to work with it. This is why I love it. So now let's start with number 1 way. What to say? I don't know. Anyway, so let's get started.
So the first 2 methods are the easiest of all. So at first I started filling up my waterline, and for the second method I shown you how to tight line your eyes. So make sure you do it to add little more definition to your eyes, and it also makes your eyelashes look fuller. And make sure every time you finish up your look with a good coat of mascara, that will make a huge difference. And here is the method 3. For this I just thicken up the line in the outer third of my lower lash line, and then started smudging that line with my ring finger. You can also use a smudge brush if you have, but ring finger also works great for me. So it makes your look a little more different, but what you are using is a simple kajal pencil. You can try this look for your daily wear, followed by a good coat of waterproof mascara, and you'll be sorted. And for the 4th method, I just drew a thin line very close to my upper lash line. So take your time, just do it with small strokes, but try to keep it as thin as possible. And for more bolder look, you can thicken up the line. It's all up to your choice. And at the end, I drag the line little outwards to add that wing sort of effect. And for the final method of today's video, just thickening up the line on my upper lash line, and then I'll be smudging that line with my fingertips. And there is a tip for this smudging, that you can't do it from one side to the another. Just you have to keep it in your mind that do it with small strokes from inner corner towards center, and then again outer corner towards center. This way you have to smudge it, otherwise it would look little messy. So keep it in your mind. And at the end I applied little bit of compact powder to set it on place. It won't smudge your kajal all over your lid. And voila, here is the final look. I hope this video helped you if you're just a beginner and you wanna play a little bit with your makeup. And this is it for today's video. And at the end I finished up with a good coat of waterproof mascara, and today I used Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is really a must have, girls, and it's now available in India, so please check it out. You will know the difference once you will get it. And yeah, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I'll be back with my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.